Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this ogbono soup that will leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I'll be using chicken. You can use any protein of choice. So this is my pre-cooked chicken. So I'll go ahead and add in cow skin, stockfish flakes, and I'll stir everything beautifully. Next I'll be adding in my seasoning powder, salt, scotch bonnet, roughly blended. I'll stir everything together to combine beautifully. So I'm gonna cover this and allow it to cook. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So after cooking for a while, I went ahead to add in my blended catfish. Okay, so you can go ahead to add in crayfish powder at this point, but I had to blend my catfish flakes that I had and I added it to it. This is my ogbono mixed with hot oil. So I heated up the oil a bit and I now add it and mix it properly with my ogbono. Okay, so to avoid it from having lumps. So I mixed everything together and this was still thick. I had to add in water to loosen it up. Okay, so go ahead to go with the consistency you like. So this is the consistency I'll be working with and I'm okay with this. So I'll go ahead to cover it and cook for a few more minutes, and after that we'll come back to check on our ogbono soup. So I'm gonna stir everything first so it wouldn't get burnt from the under, and I'll add in my uziza leaf and my pumpkin leaf. Go ahead to add in any vegetable of choice, but this combination was a good one and you will definitely enjoy this recipe. So I'll go ahead to stir everything together, cook for a few minutes, and this is ready. What swallow do you think will go well with this? I enjoyed mine with millet swallow, which I'm going to be posting very soon. Let me know what you think about this video and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye-bye.